Hi guys, welcome back to Top Tips Graphics. It's me Ramesh with another new Illustrator tutorial topic. So today I am going to introduce one of the most powerful tools in the Adobe Illustrator. That is Appearance Panel. Using the Appearance Panel, we can apply the multi-strokes and the multi-numbers of fill colors in a single object or the text. Also we can add that created style to our graphic style panel. So let's start. As usual, first of all, let's open the Adobe Illustrator software. Then let's create a new page of size 70 by 50 centimeter dimension. Then here I am changing the color mode to RGB. Now let's create a black background by using the rectangle tool as shown here. After that, let's open the layer panels from the Windows menu and let's add one extra layer as shown here. And here I just lock the layer with the black background. Then the further works we can do in the layer 2 easily without moving the background. Then open the preferences panel by using the shortcut Ctrl K. And here I am changing the units of the Illustrator page to pixel unit from the millimeter units. Then let's add a text. For that, here I am adjusting the settings of the text before typing the words. Select the color of the text as white. Font size into 450 pt. And here I am selecting the font style as Futura Bold Italic. Now let's type the text. Here I am just using our channel name, Top Tips. Then before we going through the appearance panel, let's remove the fill color and the stroke color of the text as shown here. Now here you can see the red line indicating the virtual text without the fill color and the stroke color. Now all it's ready for applying the graphic style over the text. So let's open our most powerful panel in the Adobe Illustrator. Go through the Windows menu and open the Appearance panel. So guys, this is the Appearance panel. So by using this panel, we can add multi-stroke and the multi-fill color in this text. So after selecting the text, click over this character and add the first stroke by clicking here. Then here you can change the color of the stroke by clicking in these small color swatches. Here I am just selecting the color combination of light yellow color. It's depend on the graphic style that we are going to apply. From this option, here you can adjust the thickness of the stroke. Here I am changing the stroke thickness to 14 point. And change the caps and the corner to the middle option. Now let's change the straight stroke to the dashed lines. For that, just change the value to 0 and 35 points. Now here you can see that the stroke is changed to the rounded dot lines. Also select this option for getting the perfect edges. Now let's apply the glowing effect over these dots. For that, just click this function menu while selecting the stroke and select the stylize and then outer glow as shown here. So you will get this panel. From here, just select the same color of the stroke and change the value mode to normal, opacity to 100% and the blur to 5.5 pixel. Here you can see the glow effect behind the dots as shown here. Then let's change the opacity of the stroke to 85% by clicking this opacity option. Also change the stroke mode to screen effect. Here we completed the functions of the first stroke. Now let's create the second stroke over the same object. For that, first just select the character and add the new stroke by clicking Add Stroke option. So here you get the copy of the previous stroke. Now let's change the settings of this stroke to different style. Firstly, here I change the color of the stroke to orange color and thickness to the 3 point. And then let's remove the dashed stroke to straight line stroke. Here we completed the second stroke function. Now let's create a new fill color in the same object. For that, just select the character and add the fill color by clicking this fill color add option as shown here. And here I added the gradient effect with the color combination of yellow and orange. Then let's adjust the gradient effect by taking the gradient panel from the Windows menu as shown here. From here you can adjust the gradient effect as your wish. Here I change the gradient angle to 90 degree. Again let's add one more fill color by just clicking the fill color add option. Now let's apply a stripe texture to the fill color. For that, go to the function menu, open the swatches library, pattern, basic graphics and select the basic graphics lines. Here you will get the different line textures. Here I am just selecting the second stripe texture. So here you can see that the fill color is converted to the stripe texture. Also, I just hided the above fill color. Now let's change the stripe colors to white color from the black color. For that, again select the color swatches and double click over the stripe swatches. Now using the selection tool, just select the stripe swatches and change the colors to white color as shown here. And then click done on the top of the interfaces. So the color of the stripes are now changed to white in color. Then change the opacity of the stripes into 55%. Now let's add one more fill color by selecting the character as shown here. Then here I change that fill color into red color from the swatches. Then let's apply some effect in that. For that, go to the function menu, stylish and then inner glow. So here you will get this panel. Keep the mode in screen, opacity to 56% and the blur to 32 pixel. Also make the inner glow center. So here you will get this look. Then again add the inner glow effect in the same fill color from this function menu. Now change the glow color to black. Mode to multiply, opacity to 63% and the blur to 30 pixel. Also make the glow on edge. And then unhide the upper gradient fill color. Then take the opacity option of the gradient fill color and change the mode to overlay. Here you get the 2D light effect for this text. Now let's add some more 3D effect in that. For that, again add a fill color by selecting the character in appearance panel. Change that fill color to the white in color. Then select that white fill color and go through the function menu. Select the distort and transform and then transform option. From here you will get this settings panel. So here we can transform and copy that white layer to 3D look as shown here with these values. Now let's change this white fill color to a purple gradient effect from this swatches color. Then take the gradient panel from the windows and adjust as per like this for getting more attractive effect like this. Now let's apply a neon effect in the text. For that, just again add a stroke in the appearance panel. And here I am selecting the cyan color for the stroke. Now let's transform the position of this stroke. For that, just select the transform panel by going through the function menu. Then move the stroke with the values of horizontally 60 pixel and the vertically 42 pixel as shown here. Now let's apply some glossy effect in that neon stroke. For that, select the stroke in the appearance panel and go through the functions menu, stylish and then outer glow. Here just select the glow color same as that of the cyan and keep all other values same as before. Adjust the blur value and press OK. Then let's apply one more fill color with the light magenta color and go through the functions, move the fill color by using the transform option as shown here. Then apply the Gaussian blur effect over that by going through the functions menu. Once we apply the Gaussian blur effect, here you can see the edges becoming straight. So for removing that, go to the effect in the menu bar. And then apply the document raster effect settings. Change the settings as like this and press OK. So the edges will get to feather effect like this. So guys, here we completed our work by applying a glossy neon light effect over a text in a very attractive style. Here you can see that we had applied a multi-number of stroke and fill colors in a single object. That's the magical power of the appearance panel. Now we can edit the same text, change the fonts, and whatever the editing we could do, that we can apply over this. Also here we can save this multi-effects in graphic style panel and apply over other objects also. For that, here I am just closing the appearance panel and let's open the graphic style panel from the Windows menu. Then using the selection tool, just select the text and from the graphic style panel, take the menu options at the top corner. From that, new graphic style. Give any graphic style name and press OK. Here we save that graphic style in the graphic style panel. Now we can apply this over any objects or any shapes. For an example, here I am creating some shapes and just click over that style swatches. So here you can apply that effect like this. In the same way you can apply your own creative graphic style in different model. So guys, keep practice and make different stylish graphic style. So guys, here we completed the detailed tutorial about the appearance panel of the Adobe Illustrator. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for getting the latest notification. Thank you.